Hello! So in this video I'm going to show you how to install the batch script and show you how to use it. So first of all, if you downloaded the file properly, you will have a batch_script Python file. You can copy this file from downloads and paste it into your Maya directory, which is Maya version and scripts, and paste it over there. And then in the script editor for Maya, you need to write these lines here. I will leave them in the description. And once you run them, you execute the script, and this is the UI for the script. Okay, now we have the script working. So I'm going to guide you through the UI really quickly. First of all, it's very self-explanatory, but over here you need to import the Maya files that you want to execute the script on. In this case, for the tutorial, I'm going to be doing a batch animation exporter. So I'm going to go to Add Maya Files, and I have a character here which I want to export these animations. So I'm going to select the animations that I want to execute. Let's do all of them and import them. As you can see, the UI populated with the animation. You can also grab as many as you want and click on delete. I'm going to leave it like this. This is just for demonstration purposes. And then here on scripts, you can add the script that you want. I have a list of scripts here. I'm going to be using this one, animation exporter script, but currently it doesn't have anything written. This is the one here, so we need to create a Python script to export FBX. So first of all, I know that my animations have namespaces on them. If I open an animation, here you see the animation. As you can see, there's a namespace. So first of all, I want to get rid of the namespace. So delete namespaces. I'm going to be writing it real time. Namespaces equals. I have autocomplete on, so it gives me suggestions. If namespaces, if there are namespaces, I'm just gonna go for every namespace in namespaces. If the namespace is not UI or shared, it's gonna tell the namespace to delete. Now, I want to get the top node of the scene of the selection, so I can select that node and export as FBX. So let's select, do a selection cmds.select, and now over here we need to type the name of the character that we want to select. That is the one, because I will get rid of namespaces, so this is the character that needs to be selected. So now let's make a list. Character to export equals selection. Now it's going to select. I don't want to select the hierarchy. And now let's determine the path that we want to export these to. So export path, it's going to be, and I'm going to determine the export path that I want to use. In this case, I'm going to use this one. There were a couple of animations I exported before, so I just deleted them. This is kind of annoying with Python, but you have to change those symbols to the opposite side. If you don't do that, it probably won't work. And now let's get the file name. File name, it's going to be cmds.file query, and this will return the name of the Maya scene. Now the final output file, it's going to be the export path plus the file name plus .fbx. And now the only thing that is missing is just to export the FBX. So in this line here, just file, determine the path that you want to export it to. We're going to force options. This is what you want, if you want to export selected, or if you want to export everything in the scene, what type of export, and a couple extra commands, extra flags there. So we have the export script ready. Let's try it out. So let's open the UI again, open the Maya files, and add the script. Now, since we are exporting already in the Python file, over here, we don't need to choose any of these options here. These options here determine how do you want to export the Maya files. You can overwrite the files. This will basically save the scene on top of what it's already existing there. You can make a duplicate and choose the path of the duplicate, or you can click on none. Since we are already exporting the file here, I don't need to do any extra saving, so I'm gonna click on no, and that's it. I'm gonna click on execute, and hopefully everything goes well. Let me open the script editor and execute. Now it's opening all of the Maya files and executing the script for that. Well, I got a couple of warnings, constraints. In this case, the script is not going to work properly because I forgot to bake the joint animations, and the constraints are not being exported with the animation. So we can go back to the Maya file, to the Python file, and add a couple of lines there, so it will basically select all of the joints and bake the animation on those joints. But as you can see, it's working properly. And let's go to the export path, and as you can see, it exported all of the animations that I wanted. Drop in, get hit, idle, level up, and menu idle. Drop in, get hit, idle, level up, and menu idle. There you go.